I'm Ann Benson, and I'd like to show you a small, simple design that you can create quickly and easily in long stitch needlepoint, incorporating both fibers and beads. I've put together a kit that includes all of the stitching materials and a simple black frame that you'll decorate with beads on the edges. The fibers are non-allergic tencel, combined colorfully with mostly Japanese and a few Preciosa beads. The frame is 3D printed with a channel on the back through which you can add the beaded decorations. The 18 mesh interlock canvas is printed with the basic elements that show you where to start and end the stitchery, which is worked following a full-color, full-page chart. Long stitch needlepoint is easy and quick to do. The stitches all run vertically between canvas threads. Using beads in long stitch is essentially the same process, in that you're running a stitch vertically between canvas threads. The number of beads in each stitch depends on its length, and you can vary the number as needed. Use a doubled nylon beading thread, secured by weaving back and forth a few times. The full color printed directions include details for making size adjustments and fitting the piece neatly into the frame. I hope you'll give this project a try. It's a great way to use beads in your decor. This is Ann Benson. Thanks for joining me.